Hey guys, so I wanted to film an outfit of the day video today because it's really rainy outside and I feel like filming a rainy outfit of the day. But I'm going to quickly show you my outfit here. So this is what I'm wearing today. I really like it and it's really comfortable and it'd be great for school, I think. So yeah. My cardigan is this dark gray cardigan and it is from Milk, I think, or Kohl's, someplace like that. And I really like it. It's really comfortable and soft. Yeah. And then my tank top is from Old Navy, and I've had it for years, so I don't know if you can find it anymore, but I really like it, and it's like an olive green color, and it has some like detailing on the top here. My scarf is from a gift shop in my town, and it's just like a crochet kind of material. Let me get close so you can see a little bit better. That's what it looks like. It's really pretty and just like lightweight, so it doesn't like make you really hot or anything. Excuse me, sorry, I think I'm getting cold. And for pants, I'm just wearing these really dark wash jeggings from, I don't really remember exactly where I got them, but they're really nice. They're almost black, so it kind of like elongates my legs because I'm super short. I'm only 4'10", so I have to look taller. Yeah, and then for shoes, I'm just wearing these boots from Belk, and I got these around Thanksgiving time last year, and they're really comfortable, and I just like them a lot. And then for jewelry, sorry, I'm wearing these earrings, and they're like Norwegian, and my grandmother gave them to me, so I really like those. But if you don't like to wear dangly earrings when your hair is up, you can wear like these little studs here. I have these gold hearts and I think they're really cute. So thank you all for watching and I love you all. Bye.